dejemos de mirarnos los unos a los otros. Vamos a poner remedio.
Clear, simple things in offense.
Hey, play
this
together.
is the moment. Let's try to win these 6 minutes.
Guys, hey, on offense, hey, we need to play with passes, guys. Play with passes.
Simple things, not random things.
Venga, play discipline now, guys.
I don't
Let's
know
go.
why you want to pass. What we need is to touch the paint, use the screens, touch the paint, and then pass the ball.
Don't try to play for yourself, okay? Try to pass the ball, okay? Paint touch, and then free.
Watch out now, be ready. Montero, okay? You stop him. Stop.
When you go for the layup, is to shoot very fast to the ball and use the ball in the high level. Or when you penetrate, kick the ball out.
Mario, no demos por hecho que no la mete. Vamos a más, vamos a más. No la pone al suelo contra ti.
You switch anytime we come back, so remember, better to go inside than take a 3-point shot. Vale, let's go, guys.
1, 2, 3.